Hello guys, welcome to Study Lovers. My name is Hardik Yadav and I am back with another exciting video. In this video, we will study about Indian geography MCQs questions. And if you know the answers of question, please tell me in the comment section. And this MCQ is for everyone. So listen the video very carefully and it will help you very much. So we start the video. First, which of the following regions in the India represent lowest altitude? A. Kuttanad region in Kerala. B. Saurashtra region in Karnataka. C. Coromandel of Tamil Nadu. D. Malabar region of Kerala. And the correct answer is A. Kuttanad region in Kerala. Second, Stilwell Road connects India with which among the following neighbors? A. China. B. Bhutan. C. Bangladesh. D. Pakistan. And the correct answer is A. China. Third, which among the following rivers does not flow into Arabian Sea? A. Narmada. B. Tapi. C. Sabarmati. D. Godavari. And the correct answer is D. Godavari. Fourth, which among the following river rises from the Milam Glacier in Kumaon, Himalaya? A. Sharda. B. Ramganga. C. Goriganga. D. Yamuna. And the correct answer is C. Goriganga. Fifth, which state has the highest population of Indian ethnic group of black African descent called Siddhi? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is D. Karnataka. Sixth, which of the following represents largest fraction of forest cover in India? A. Tropical dry deciduous. B. Tropical moist deciduous. C. Tropical evergreen. D. Subtropical. The correct answer is B. Tropical moist deciduous. Seventh, India's largest inland line wetland system is located in which of the following states? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Odisha. D. Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is B. Rajasthan. 8. The Sabarmati river originates in which among the following ranks? A. The Satpuras. B. The Vindhyas. C. The Aravalis. D. The Western Ghats. And the correct answer is C. The Aravalis. 9th, the Kandaleru Dam is located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Goa. And the correct answer is C. Andhra Pradesh. 10th, Pagladia Dam project is located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Sikkim. C. Assam. D. West Bengal. The correct answer is C. Assam. 11th, what percent of India's territory comes under the moderate and high seismic zone? A. 20%. B. 35%. C. 42%. D. 60%. And the correct answer is D. 60%. 12th, Pir Panjal range in the Himalayas is a part of which of the following? A. Shivalik Himalaya. B. Lesser Himalaya. C. Central Himalaya. D. Trans Himalaya. The correct answer is B. Lesser Himalaya. 13. Which among the following statements are correct regarding the Himalayas? A. Himalayas have nappy and recumbent folds. B. Himalayas rose up from the Tethys Sea. C. The orogeny took place in the Tertiary era. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 14. Which of the following passes is situated at the highest elevation? A. Nathula, B. Jalapla, C. Rohangtang, D. Joila. The correct answer is A. Nathula. 15. Doda Beta Peak is located in which of the following hill range? A. Anaimalai, B. Mahendragiri, C. Nilgiris, D. Sevarois. The correct answer is C. Nilgiris. Now guys, this 16th question is the another type. So listen the question. Arrange the following hill ranges as per their geographical periods. A. Deccan Plateau, B. Himalayas, C. Eastern Ghats, D. Aravalli. Now we have to arrange them accordingly. So choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. 1, 2, 3 and 4, B. 4, 3, 1 and 2, C. 4, 1, 2 and 3, D. 4, 2, 3, 2. The correct answer is B. 4 means Aravalli, 3 Eastern Ghats, 1 Deccan Plateau and then second Himalayas. 17. The state of Manipur and the state of Nagaland is separated by which of the following hill range? A. Arkan Hills, B. Manipur Hills, C. Patkai Hills, D. Bareil Hills. The answer is D. Bareil Hills. 18. Which of the following hill station is named after the Hindu goddess Shyamla Devi? A. Manali, B. Kalu, C. Shimla, D. Saputra. The correct answer is C. Shimla. 19. What percent of Thar desert lies in the Indian territories? A. 85%, B. 72%, C. 63%, D. 52%. The correct answer is A. 85%. 20. What is the range of Thar desert in the world as per the total area coverage? A. 7th, B. 11th, C. 13th, D. 17th. And the correct answer is D. 17th. 21st. Bhita mangrove is separated from the Bay of Bengal by which of the following beaches? A. Puri Beach, B. Ganjam Beach, C. Gahir Matha Beach, D. Konark Beach. The correct answer is C. Gahir Matha Beach. 22. The Gulf of Mannar is separated from Palk Bay by which of the following? A. Gulf of Kathach, B. Gulf of Gambhat, C. Adams Bridge, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Adams Bridge. Now this 23rd question is same like 16. 23rd. Which among the following about the eastern coast of India are correct? A. It is forward by emergence. Second, eastern coast face most of the cyclonic storms. Third, it is located on the Bay of Bengal. Fourth, rainfall is comparatively low. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. First and third, B. Second and fourth, C. First, second and third, and D. First, second, third and fourth. The correct answer is D. First, second, third and fourth. All four are correct. 24th. This is also same. Which of the following rivers of India are the international rivers? A. Indus, B. Ganga, C. Brahmaputra and D. Godavari. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. Same like A. First and second, B. Second and third, C. First, second as third, D. First, second, third and fourth. The correct answer is C. First, second and third means Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. 25th. What percent of the total area of India is occupied by the river Ganga? A. 5.87%, B. 10.62%, C 21.3%, D 26.3%. The correct answer is D 26.3%. And if you are liking the video, please like the video. 26. Which of the following is the longest tributary of the river Ganga? A. Chambal, B. Yamuna, C. Gomti, D. Gandhak. The correct answer is B. Yamuna. 27. Which among the following pair are correct? A. Sorrow of Bengal, Damodar River. Second, Sorrow of Assam, Brahmaputra River. Third, Sorrow of Karnataka, Doni River. Fourth, Sorrow of Bihar, Koshi River. And if you know the answer of anyone, when I am reading, tell the answer in the comment section. Okay. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. For A, first and second. B, first, third as fourth. C, first, second, third as fourth. D, first, second, third and fourth. The correct answer is D, first, second, third and fourth. All four are correct. 28. Which of the following is the largest artificial lake of India? A. A. Cambram Brackum. B. Chilak. C. Dal. D. Debar. The correct answer is D. Debar. 29th. Which of the following statements regarding El Nino effect on Indian monsoon is or are correct? First, the surface temperature goes up in the southern Pacific Ocean and there is decent rainfall in India. Second, the Volcanic circulation shifts eastward from its normal position and reduces monsoon rainfall in India. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. First only. B. Second only. C. First and second both. And D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. First and second. 30th. Which of the following is the wettest place in India? A. Udhagmandalam. B. Moeshinram. C. Cherrapunji. D. Tamil Nadu. And the correct answer is B. Moeshinram. 31st. Which of the following is the ore of aluminium? A. Bauxite. B. Manganese. C. Limonite. D. Monatize. The correct answer is A. Bauxite. 32. The iron ore of Baba Budan Hills and Kudermukh is mainly transported to Iran through which of the following ports? A. Jawaharlal Nehru ports. B. Visakhapatnam port. C. Mangalore port. D. Haldai port. The correct answer is C. Mangalore port. 33. Which among the following states ranks first in the production of thermal power? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. The correct answer is C. Maharashtra. 34. Bhakra Nangal Dam is a joint venture of which among the following states? First Punjab, second Haryana, third Rajasthan. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. First and second. B. First and third. C. Second and third. D. First, second and third. The correct answer is D. First, second and third. Means all of three. Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. 35th. Which of the following states of India has high potential for solar energy? A. West Bengal. B. Odisha. C. Karnataka. D. Rajasthan. The correct answer is D. Rajasthan. 36. Which of the following statement is are correct? A. First, jhum cultivation is practiced in the northeastern state of India. Second, jhum cultivation is a process of afforestation. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. First only. B. First and second. C. Second only. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. First only. 37. Leaves of which of the following plants are not used for the rearing of silkworms. A. Teak. B. Castor. C. Oak. D. Mulberry. The correct answer is B. Castor. 38. Which of the following is or are the example of kharif crop? A. Jahangir. B. Paddy. C. Mandua. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. 39. The rail factory in Yalihanka, Bangalore is responsible for making which of the following? A. Rail coaches. B. Diesel locomotive. C. Electric locomotive. D. Rail wheel. The correct answer is D. Rail wheel. 40. Which of the following is a non-major port? A. New Mangaluru. B. Pradeep. C. Dahej. D. Kochi. The correct answer is C. Dahej. 41. Which among the following factors are responsible for the rapid growth of sugar production in South India as compared to North India? First, higher per acre field for sugarcane. Second, higher sucrose content present in sugarcane. Third, low labor cost. Fourth, longer crushing period. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. First and second. B. First, second and third. C. First, second as fourth. D. First, second, third and fourth. The correct answer is C. First, second and fourth. Means higher per acre field for sugar canes. Second, higher sucrose content present in sugarcane. Then fourth, longer crushing period. 42nd. Which of the following agriculture practices is considered eco-friendly? A. Organic farming. B. Cultivation of high-yielding varieties. C. Growing plants in glass houses. D. Shifting cultivation. The correct answer is A. Organic farming. 43rd. India's first textile university will be set up in which of the following states? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. West Bengal. The correct answer is C. Gujarat. 44. Which among the following statements are correct? First, crop concentration, variation of the density of a crop in a region at a particular point of time. Second, agricultural productivity, yield per unit area. Third, agricultural intensity ratio of the net sown area and the total cropped area. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. First and second. B. First and third. C. Second and third. D. First, second and third. The correct answer is all of these. Means D. First, second and third. 45. Which among the following matches of industrial production and their places are correct? A. Brashware, Muradabad. Second, silk sarees, Kanchipuram. Third, chikan embroidery, Lucknow. Fourth, sport goods, Jalandhar. The choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. First and second. B. First, second and third. C. First, third and fourth. D. First, second, third and fourth. The correct answer is D. First, second, third and fourth. 46. Arrange the following ports of eastern coast of India from north to east. First, Haldai Port. Second, Vizag Port. Third, Chennai Port. Fourth, Kolkata Port. Choose the correct option from the codes given below. A. 4, 3, first and second. B. Second, first, fourth and three. Third, fourth, one, second and third. D. 2, fourth, one and third. The correct answer is C. Fourth, one, second and third. Means Kolkata Port, then Haldai Port, then Vizag Port, then Chennai Port. 47. As per the census 2011, which of the following state has the highest density of population? A. West Bengal. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Mizoram. D. Bihar. The correct answer is D. Bihar. 48. Which among the following is the largest tribal group of Meghalaya? A. Ghero. B. Ghasi. C. Kalma. D. Karbi. The correct answer is B. Ghasi. 49th. Baneshwara festival is celebrated by which of the following tribes of India? A. Orao, B. Munda, Manuda, C. Bhilis, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Bhils. 50. Which of the following is the urban rural population ratio according to the census 2011? A. 26 ratio 42, B. 38 ratio 66, C. 31st ratio 69, D. 35th ratio 62. The correct answer is C. 31st ratio 69. And thank you guys. If you like this video, please tell me in the comment section, and please like the video and share the video as much as possible, and subscribe our channel for new interesting videos like this. And thank you guys.